not exactly color coordinated here. First of all, we've got a cortical nephron in the cortex. So this is the arcuate vein and arcuate artery that divides the cortex from the medulla. So this is a juxtamedullary nephron because it's dipping down into the medulla. So we have an example of each here. And of course the green represents Bowman's capsule. So here we have the green Bowman's capsule. This is the parietal layer. And then this is the visceral layer, which is composed of the podocytes, which help form the filtration membrane. And then the orange is the glomerulus. Notice the afferent arteriole is much larger than the efferent. And then as we come out of Bowman's capsule, then the orange here is the proximal convoluted tubule. And the orange here sort of translates to the pink. So here's the proximal convoluted tubule coming out of Bowman's capsule. One here and one here. Then we come down to the loop of Henle, which of course doesn't appear here. Loop of Henle here. And then we come up to this kind of bluish grayish, which is the distal convoluted tubule. And that's represented by the blue here, so distal convoluted tubule. This is the juxtaglomerular apparatus here, consists of these cells and these closely spaced nuclei here of the distal convoluted tubule, so juxtaglomerular apparatus.
What's this?
Measures the osmolarity of the fluid here. Okay. So then the yellow, of course, represents a collecting duct. So this is a collecting duct. So those are the basic structure. Here we can see the afferent arteriole is much larger than the efferent. And also here, the paratubular capillaries, where the fluid is being reabsorbed. And then the vasa recta down here.
And then this would be the radiate artery and vein, and then these ones are the accurate.
Yeah, these are the radiate arteries and veins here, going up through the cortex. So that's this particular model set.